Introducing the Gator GHDVR355, a compact dash cam with a built-in 3-inch LCD color display with 16GB microSD card included. High-definition 1080p recordings of your trips for peace of mind, security, and undeniable evidence, the Gator GHDVR355 produces superb video quality day and night. With a 100-degree wide-angle lens, the field of view captured by the dash cam is exceptional. While driving, the GHDVR355 will record in a continuous loop, overriding old files with new files to ensure you will never run out of space. If an incident is detected by the built-in G sensor, the dashcam will automatically protect this file from being overwritten, so the footage can be safely retrieved at a later date. While driving, should an incident occur in front of the vehicle, or you simply want to save footage from a scenic drive, simply press the SOS Manual Record button to save and lock the footage. This dashcam will automatically add a time and date stamp to all your recorded footage, so that you can keep track of recorded events. The built-in 3-inch display provides easy access to the dashcam settings and allows you to conveniently play back recorded videos. It also has a built-in microphone that will record audio within the vehicle cabin and immediate surrounds. Designed to be connected to a 12 or 24 volt vehicle accessory socket at all times when in use, the GHDVR355 also has a rechargeable battery that will provide enough power to safely secure the recordings and shut down the dashcam when the power is disconnected. The GHDVR355 is easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. It comes with the dashcam, mounting bracket, 12 and 24 volt power adapter, mini USB cable, 16GB microSD card pre-installed into the dashcam, and the product manual. To find out more about this model or to view our complete dashcam range, please visit our website, gatordriverassist.com.